Hong Kong fried dace fish patties. Ingredients: 1 pound dace fish paste, 450 grams. 20 small dried shrimps. 1 dried tangerine peel. 1 bunch cilantro. 2 stalks spring onion. 3/4 of a teaspoon salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground white pepper. 2 tablespoons fermented clam sauce. Directions: soak the dried tangerine peel in hot water to cover. When soft, remove and carefully use small knife to scrape off the wide pith and then mince. Mince the dried shrimps. Wash and dry the cilantro, then chop finely. Wash and dry the spring onions, chop finely. Add shrimp, chen pie, cilantro, spring onions, salt and pepper to the fish paste and mix thoroughly in a large wine bowl. Scrape up a handful of the paste and throw with force back into the bowl. Repeat 20-30 times until texture changes and paste is shiny. Wet hands slightly to prevent sticking. Separate paste into 8 equal-sized balls, then press down lightly on each one until a patty is formed. Heat large frying pan over medium heat. When hot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil and add in the patties. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Flip and repeat, adding more oil if necessary. Remove from heat. Arrange on serving plate, garnish with cilantro leaves and serve with dipping saucer of fermented clam sauce.